To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience. And this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial investment or tax advice. For financial investment or tax advice, consult a financial investment or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. How to find the best IRA gold companies, best Gold IRA companies. In an era defined by economic uncertainty, fluctuating stock markets, and the constant erosion of purchasing power through inflation, many individuals are seeking safe havens to protect their retirement savings. Among these havens, gold has consistently proven its resilience and enduring value. While traditional retirement accounts like 401ks and traditional IRAs predominantly invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a Gold IRA offers a compelling alternative: the opportunity to diversify your retirement portfolio with physical gold, potentially hedging against market volatility and preserving wealth for the long term. This comprehensive guide delves into the world of Gold IRAs, exploring their benefits, the critical factors to consider when choosing a custodian, and a detailed framework for identifying the best Gold IRA companies that align with your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Section 1. Understanding the fundamentals of a Gold IRA. Before embarking on the journey of selecting a Gold IRA company, it's crucial to grasp the core mechanics of these specialized retirement accounts. A Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows you to hold physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium within a tax-advantaged retirement account. It's essential to understand that you cannot simply deposit existing gold you own into an IRA. The gold must be purchased through the IRA custodian and stored in an approved depository. Self-directed IRA. Unlike traditional IRAs managed by brokerage firms with limited investment options, a Gold IRA provides you with control over your investment choices. You, as the account holder, direct the custodian to purchase and sell precious metals on your behalf. IRS regulations. The IRS sets strict guidelines for the types of precious metals that qualify for inclusion in a Gold IRA. Generally, the gold must meet minimum purity standards, typically 0.95 fine for gold bullion, and it must be in the form of bars or coins specifically approved by the IRS. Common examples include American Eagle gold coins, Canadian Maple Leaf gold coins, and certain gold bars produced by reputable mints. Gold jewelry and collectibles are not permitted. Custodians and depositories. A Gold IRA requires the involvement of two key parties. Custodian. The custodian is a financial institution that administers your IRA, handles paperwork, ensures compliance with IRS regulations, and reports to the IRS. They facilitate the purchase, storage, and sale of your precious metals. Depository. The depository is a secure storage facility, often a bank or vault, approved by the IRS to hold your physical gold. Your gold must be stored in this third-party depository. You cannot store it at home or in a safety deposit box. Tax implications. Gold IRAs offer the same tax advantages as traditional IRAs. Contributions may be tax-deductible, subject to income limitations, and the growth of your investments within the IRA is tax-deferred. Upon retirement, withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income. Roth Gold IRAs offer a different tax structure. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Section 2. The rationale behind investing in a Gold IRA. The decision to allocate a portion of your retirement savings to a Gold IRA is a significant one, driven by a variety of factors. Inflation. Hedge. Gold has historically served as a reliable hedge against inflation. When the value of fiat currencies erodes due to rising prices, the price of gold tends to increase, preserving your purchasing power. As central banks print money and government debt continues to rise, the long-term threat of inflation becomes more pronounced, making gold an increasingly attractive asset. Diversification. A well-diversified portfolio is essential for mitigating risk. Gold's performance often has a low or negative correlation with stocks and bonds. This means that when the stock market declines, gold may hold its value or even increase, offsetting losses in other asset classes. Adding gold to your retirement portfolio can reduce its overall volatility and improve its risk-adjusted returns. Safe haven asset. During periods of economic and geopolitical instability, investors often flock to safe haven assets like gold. Gold's perceived safety and scarcity make it a store of value during times of crisis, providing a buffer against market turmoil. Preservation of wealth. Gold has maintained its value for centuries, serving as a reliable store of wealth. Unlike paper currencies, which can be devalued or inflated away, gold retains its intrinsic value, making it a valuable asset for preserving wealth across generations. Potential for appreciation. While gold is primarily viewed as a store of value, it also has the potential for price appreciation. Factors such as increasing demand from emerging markets, declining gold mine production, and geopolitical uncertainty can drive the price of gold higher. Important note: while gold IRAs offer potential benefits, they are not without risks. The price of gold can be volatile, and there are costs associated with setting up and maintaining the account. It's crucial to weigh the potential benefits against the risks and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Section 3. Key factors to consider when choosing a Gold IRA company. Selecting the right Gold IRA company is paramount to ensuring a smooth and successful investment experience. Here's a comprehensive checklist of essential factors to consider. Reputation and experience. Years in business. How long has the company been operating in the Gold IRA space? A longer track record often indicates stability and expertise. Customer reviews and ratings. Thoroughly research the company's reputation by reading online reviews and ratings from reputable sources such as the Better Business Bureau, BBB, Trustpilot, Google Reviews, and the Business Consumer Alliance, BCA. Pay close attention to customer feedback regarding customer service, transparency, and the ease of account setup and maintenance. Look for consistent patterns of positive or negative experiences. Industry recognition. Has the company received any awards or recognition from industry publications or organizations? This can be an indicator of their standing within the precious metals community. Complaints and lawsuits. Check for any complaints filed against the company with regulatory agencies or any pending or past lawsuits. A history of significant legal issues should raise a red flag. Fees and costs. Setup fees. What are the fees associated with establishing a Gold IRA account? Some companies may waive setup fees for larger initial investments. Annual maintenance fees. What are the annual fees for maintaining your Gold IRA? These fees cover the administrative costs of managing your account. Storage fees. What are the fees for storing your precious metals in the depository? Storage fees can vary depending on the amount of gold you hold and the storage facility used. Inquire about segregated versus non-segregated storage. See details below. Transaction fees. Are there any fees for buying or selling gold within your IRA? Hidden fees. Be wary of companies that are not transparent about their fees. Request a complete fee schedule in writing and carefully review it before opening an account. Ask direct questions about any fees that are unclear. Comparison shop. Compare the fees of several Gold IRA companies to ensure you are getting a competitive rate. Storage options. Approved depository. Ensure that the company uses a reputable and IRS-approved depository to store your gold. Segregated versus non-segregated storage. Segregated storage. Your gold is stored separately from other investors' gold. This provides greater security and peace of mind as you have specific ownership of the allocated bars or coins. This is generally considered the gold standard, pun intended, for security, but usually comes with higher storage fees. Non-segregated storage, commingled storage. Your gold is stored alongside other investors' gold. While still secure, this option may not offer the same level of individual ownership assurance. It typically comes with lower storage fees. Insurance. Verify that the depository provides adequate insurance coverage to protect your gold against theft, damage, or loss. Understand the limits of the insurance policy. Location. Consider the location of the depository. While your gold is not intended for regular access, you may want to choose a depository that is conveniently located in case you ever need to visit for verification purposes, although this is rarely necessary. Audits. Ask about the depository's audit procedures. Regular audits by independent third parties ensure the security and accuracy of the storage facilities. Buyback program. Buyback policy. Does the company offer a buyback program if you decide to sell your gold in the future? A buyback program provides liquidity and convenience when you want to liquidate your gold holdings. Buyback price. What price will the company pay for your gold? Will they offer the current market price or a discounted price? Understanding the buyback price is crucial for assessing the overall value of the company's services. Ease of sale. How easy is it to sell your gold back to the company? What is the process involved, and how quickly can you expect to receive payment? Product selection. IRS-approved metals. Does the company offer a wide selection of IRS-approved gold, silver, platinum, and palladium products? Bullion versus coins. Do they offer both bullion, bars and rounds, and coins? Some investors prefer bullion for its lower premium over spot price, while others prefer coins for their collectability and potential for appreciation. Variety. A good gold IRA company will offer a diverse selection of precious metals to suit different investment preferences and risk profiles. Customer service, responsiveness. How responsive is the company to your inquiries? Do they answer your questions promptly and thoroughly? Knowledgeable representatives. Are the company's representatives knowledgeable about gold IRAs and precious metals? Can they provide you with accurate and helpful information? Accessibility. How accessible is the company's customer service team? Do they offer multiple channels of communication, such as phone, email, and live chat? Personalized service. Do they provide personalized service tailored to your individual needs and investment goals? Transparency and education. Educational resources. Does the company provide educational resources to help you learn about gold IRAs and precious metals investing? Clear communication. Does the company communicate clearly and transparently about their fees, policies, and procedures? Avoid high-pressure sales tactics. Be wary of companies that use high-pressure sales tactics or make unrealistic promises. A reputable gold IRA company will focus on educating you and helping you make informed decisions. Licensing and accreditation. Proper licensing. Ensure the company is properly licensed and accredited to operate as a gold IRA custodian. Professional affiliations. Check if the company is a member of any professional organizations related to precious metals or retirement planning. Section 4. Due diligence. Protecting yourself from scams. The gold IRA industry, like any financial market, can attract unscrupulous operators. It's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence to protect yourself from scams and fraud. Here are some warning signs to watch out for. High-pressure sales tactics. Be wary of companies that pressure you to make a quick decision or use scare tactics to convince you to invest. Unrealistic promises. Beware of companies that guarantee high returns or promise that gold is a risk-free investment. No investment is guaranteed, and gold can be volatile. Unsolicited offers. Be cautious of unsolicited phone calls or emails offering gold IRA investments. Lack of transparency. Avoid companies that are not transparent about their fees, policies, or storage arrangements. Pushing specific products. Be wary of companies that heavily promote specific gold coins or bars without explaining the rationale behind the recommendation. They may be pushing products with high markups. Ignoring your risk tolerance. A reputable company will assess your financial situation and risk tolerance before recommending any investments. Refusal to provide information in writing. Any legitimate company should be willing to provide all relevant information, including fee schedules and storage agreements, in writing. Asking for direct payment. All payments should be made directly to the custodian, not to an individual or a non-licensed entity. Free gold offers. Be especially wary of free gold promotions, as these are often tied to excessively high premiums or hidden fees. Generally, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Steps to protect yourself. Research. Thoroughly research any Gold IRA company before investing. Read reviews. Read online reviews from multiple sources. Check with regulatory agencies. Check with the Better Business Bureau, the Business Consumer Alliance, and state regulatory agencies for any complaints or disciplinary actions. Consult with a financial advisor. Speak with a qualified financial advisor who can help you assess your investment needs and risk tolerance. Read the fine print. Carefully read all agreements and disclosures before signing anything. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask questions about anything you don't understand. Trust your gut. If something feels off, trust your instincts and walk away. Section 5. Setting up a Gold IRA. A step-by-step guide. Once you've chosen a reputable Gold IRA company, the process of setting up your account is relatively straightforward. Choose a custodian. Select a Gold IRA custodian that meets your needs and preferences based on the factors discussed above. Complete the application. Fill out the custodian's application form, providing your personal and financial information. Fund your account. You can fund your Gold IRA through a direct rollover from an existing IRA, 401k, or other retirement account, or through a cash contribution, subject to annual contribution limits. Direct rollover. A direct rollover is the most common and tax-efficient way to fund a Gold IRA. The funds are transferred directly from your existing retirement account to your Gold IRA custodian without you ever taking possession of the money. Cash contribution. You can also make a cash contribution to your Gold IRA subject to annual contribution limits set by the IRS. Cash contributions may be tax-deductible depending on your income and filing status. Select your precious metals. Work with your Gold IRA company to select the IRS-approved gold, silver, platinum, or palladium products you want to purchase. Purchase and storage. The custodian will purchase the precious metals on your behalf and arrange for their secure storage in an approved depository. Ongoing management. Your custodian will provide you with regular account statements and handle all administrative tasks related to your Gold IRA. Section 6. Alternatives to a Gold IRA. While a Gold IRA offers direct ownership of physical gold, there are alternative ways to invest in gold within a retirement account. Gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Gold ETFs track the price of gold and provide exposure to the precious metal without the need to store physical bullion. Some gold ETFs hold physical gold, while others use derivatives like futures contracts. However, you don't actually own the gold. Gold mining stocks. Investing in gold mining stocks can provide indirect exposure to the price of gold. The performance of gold mining stocks is often correlated with the price of gold, but they are also subject to the risks associated with individual companies and the mining industry. Section 7. Is a Gold IRA right for you? A Gold IRA can be a valuable addition to a well-diversified retirement portfolio, but it's not suitable for everyone. Consider the following factors before investing in a Gold IRA. Investment goals. What are your investment goals? Are you looking for a safe haven asset to protect against inflation and market volatility, or are you seeking high growth potential? Risk tolerance. What is your risk tolerance? Gold can be volatile and its price can fluctuate significantly. Time horizon. What is your time horizon? Gold is generally considered a long-term investment. Financial situation. What is your overall financial situation? Can you afford to allocate a portion of your retirement savings to gold without jeopardizing your financial security? Consult with a financial advisor. Before making any investment decisions, consult with a qualified financial advisor who can help you assess your individual needs and risk tolerance. Understand the costs. Make sure you fully understand all the fees associated with setting up and maintaining a Gold IRA. Section 8. A call for responsible investing. Investing in gold, whether through a Gold IRA or other means, requires a responsible and well-informed approach. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or speculation. Conduct thorough research, understand the risks involved, and consult with a qualified financial advisor to determine if a Gold IRA is the right fit for your individual circumstances. A Gold IRA isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy for wealth preservation and diversification. Section 9. Conclusion. Securing your future with gold. In today's uncertain economic landscape, diversifying your retirement portfolio with physical gold offers a compelling strategy for protecting your wealth and securing your financial future. A Gold IRA provides a tax-advantaged way to hold physical gold, potentially hedging against inflation, market volatility, and geopolitical risks. By carefully researching and selecting a reputable Gold IRA company, understanding the fees and storage options, and conducting thorough due diligence, you can confidently navigate the world of Gold IRAs and make informed decisions that align with your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, responsible investing, coupled with a long-term perspective, is the key to unlocking the potential benefits of a Gold IRA and achieving lasting financial security. Don't rush the process and take the necessary time to weigh your options and find a Gold IRA company that works best for you. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.